Welcome back to SNS British Bird Diaries. Here, as you can see, I've got Hugo the boss. He's come to have a look at his chicks, his Norwich young. Just got to say thank you everyone for the support, the amazing feedback. Absolutely best to none. Right, and ladies and gentlemen, here's the first lot. Four Norwich in there, one cinnamon, one variegated white, two variegated. Coming down to the bottom row, sorry I will show you the parents. Those Norwich came from this pair. She's back down on the pot egg. These are back down from my Holland. Younger down here. There's 5 beauties in there. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. And 2 have hatched under the dimorphic this morning. Got 5 more to hatch there. Norwich mules, some feeders under that one, 1 full bull egg under that one, and things are just starting with the hybrid pairs. Nest pans are all in. Linnet's gone to nest. It's a visually pied greeny cock to a linnet. 3rd egg today. This pair built, laid 4 eggs. Just didn't want to sit them. So underneath they go. She's sitting on them now. Just a quick catch up for you all today, ladies and gentlemen. I'll keep my eyes on the boss. Hugo, thumbs up. Yay! There you are, ladies and gentlemen. Smash that like and subscribe button. This is what it's all about. Thanks for watching. Like I say, just a quick look for you. I'm up to about 15 Norwich. I have got 2 in the house that I've had to Andrea. So not bad. First year of breeding Norwich, you know, 15. I mean, the season's only just started. So thank you to everyone that's watched. If you like what you're seeing, put your thumbs up, drop me a comment. Don't forget to ding that bell on that one. Have a great weekend. Boom, Sammy boys out. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.